Welcome to your quick guide on using the OneCloud Webphone and mobile app as a contact center agent. The Webphone and mobile app are very similar. We will cover them both in this video. To begin using the OneCloud Webphone or mobile app, you'll need your login details. If you don't have them, you can click Forgot Password or Username, or simply ask your OneCloud administrator to send you a welcome email. This email will include your login name and extension number, along with instructions for setting up your password and voicemail PIN if applicable. If you will be using the OneCloud Webphone, you will navigate to myucaas.com, log in using your credentials, then click the waffle menu in the upper right corner of your screen and select Webphone. If using the mobile, depending on whether you are rocking iOS or Android, head to the App Store or Google Play Store respectively. Just search for OneCloud app, find it, download the app, then log in using your OneCloud credentials. Let's get started. First, let's glance at the interfaces. Here is the Webphone on your left and the mobile app on your right. Both interfaces are designed for ease of use, with all the essential features of your contact center. As a member of your contact center, you will see a call center tab. It looks like a headset. Clicking on this tab will show you the contact center features. Using the Webphone, the icon will be on the left-hand side of your screen. Mobile app users will see this displayed in the bottom right of the mobile app. Let's start by learning how to go online and start your shift. Here you will see an icon that will say Offline. This is a drop-down menu that will allow you to set yourself available to receive calls or set your idle code based on why you are not available in the queue. Glancing again at the interfaces, you will find it here on the Webphone and here on the mobile app. By selecting Go Online, you will set yourself available in all queues you are a member of and start your shift. Now, throughout your day, you will have breaks, lunches, and other reasons you may need to attend to. Here's how to indicate you're on lunch break or other codes created for your specific organization. When your shift is over for the day, you will want to select End Shift. This will take you fully out of all queues and complete your shift. Next, let's look at the My Stats tab. From here, staying on top of your performance is easy. You can view information like your total inbound calls, total outbound calls, talk time, and more. Using the Webphone, you will see a few additional details displayed in call graphs. The mobile app omits these features to keep it more streamlined and minimize resource usage. Let's look at your queues and some additional information. From the My Queues tab, you will see the queues you are a member of. Depending on your contact center, you may be part of multiple queues or just a single queue. Depending on your organization's preferences, you can log into or out of individual queues based on your workforce's needs. Using the Webphone, you will hover over the queue and select this icon to log in or out. While on the mobile app, you will just click the icon here. To make a call, you will see an icon that looks like a dial pad located here on the Webphone and here on the mobile app. You can either search your contact or dial the number of the individual you are trying to reach. Now, when receiving a call, you will simply accept it like this on the Webphone, or, using the mobile app, you will see this notification allowing you to answer the call. While on a call, you can put the caller on hold, mute your microphone, conference in others, or even transfer the call. Let's look at transferring a call, since this is a common scenario in a contact center. While you are on an active call, you will select the transfer option. This will place the caller on hold. You will then be prompted to choose from either your existing contacts or dial an external number. Once you have made your selection, you will then be asked if you are making a blind transfer or assisted transfer. An assisted or warm transfer allows you to contact the party you are transferring to have a quick discussion and introduce the caller before the transfer. A blind transfer sends the caller directly to someone else without introduction. You can pin a queue on the right side of your Webphone screen by clicking on the queue. In My Queues, you will see that there are people waiting in the queues. If you click on it, it will take you to the Waiting tab. You will have the option to transfer or pick up a call in the Waiting tab. When you click on Agents, it will take you to the Agents page. If you are looking for an in-depth video on how to use our Webphone or mobile app, please click one of our YouTube videos linked on the screen or follow the links in the comment section below. And that's a wrap on your quick start guide to using Webphone and mobile app as a contact center agent.